Hi folks, co-tutor here and my name is Anil Deshpande. So I think we now know enough of theory. Let's get into a code peek session. So this is the same application that we have been using since quite some time. Only the thing is now instead of using a job intent service, my intent service extends a job service. And there is not much difference here. You have got on start job and on stop job methods, both of which are part of job service class. So on start job gets called as soon as this particular service gets called. So as you can see here, this particular method starts do background work. So any long running task that you want to do in this particular service, you need to offload it to a worker thread, because by default anything that you run on this particular service will run on the UI thread, and if you don't take care of this problem, you will run into application not responding error. So that is why I am actually invoking a method called as do background work, and in that thread I am invoking start random number generator. This is not anything new, you have already seen this. What it does is basically generates a random number and prints it to the log. And since this is going to be a long running task, I am returning a true from the on start job. And now if you come down, we have on stop job, and if you look at the contents, it does nothing except returning true. So when I say return true, I am basically telling when this job gets killed because of any reason, I want it to be rescheduled. Now the thing is, after implementing this particular my intent service, I have to go back to the manifest file and add few things. And as I had told earlier, I have added receive boot completed, and the service has been put with bind job service permission. Now let's go back to the main activity where we will be actually starting this particular service. The code is pretty simple. We have on click listeners here. Start job is called when you click on the start schedule button, and what happens in the start job is the thing that we will look at now. So as I had told earlier, the first thing that we do is define the component name, and in this case it is the my intent service, that is the component name. And then I need to create an object of job info. So for that I use a job info dot builder. You need to provide the job ID. In this case I am hard coding it with value 101 and the component name, and the component name contains my intent service, that is the second argument to the constructor here. And then what I do is I add a lot of information. So I set required network type. I can say network type cellular. I can actually change it. You can say network not roaming, network unmetered, anything for that matter. So in this case I have just put network type cellular, and how often you want this particular job to run. So the minimum value you can set is 15 minutes, and anything more than 15 minutes. So I have basically set it to 15 minutes. And set requires charging. So whether you want this thing to work only if the device is charging. It is quite possible that whatever the task that you are doing might consume a lot of battery. So it would be good idea to not to do those things when your device is not charging, or better to do those things when your device is charging. So in this case I am basically saying false. So this should work even when the device is not charging. And then whether this service needs to be enabled as soon as the device gets booted. So that is given through set persisted, and I am saying yes, true. And then finally build. Of course you can do a lot of other many configurations. I suggest that you go through the job info API to understand what are all other things that you can configure. And then finally you use job scheduler dot schedule and pass the job info, and if it gets scheduled successfully, it returns a result success value, that is job scheduler dot result success value. So in this case I basically want to display a log message saying that the job scheduler got successfully scheduled or not. So that is the reason why I have written it inside a if statement. If you don't want to do that, that is also perfectly fine. And to stop the job, this is pretty simple. That is job scheduler.cancel and pass the job ID with which you had created the job info. And how to create the job scheduler, that is pretty simple. Get system service and then job scheduler service. That returns a system service which you just typecast into a job scheduler and then create an instance of job scheduler. So with this, we are pretty much done with the implementation of the job service and how to start that particular job service using the job scheduler. The only thing that is now left is to run this. So let me open the Logcat. So right now my emulator is working on a cellular connectivity. So what I will do is I will put this in the aeroplane mode. So that basically means my device is not connected to any network. So since it is not connected to any network, when I click on the schedule job, it should not start the service. So now let me click on this. You can see that job is scheduled successfully is coming, but we are not seeing any random numbers that get generated typically. So the job is scheduled, but it is not running. Why it is not running? Because the network is missing. It is not connected to any cellular network type. Okay, so what I will do is I will remove the aeroplane mode, and as soon as I removed the aeroplane mode, you can see that the random numbers automatically started generated. I did not have to once again click on the schedule job. It automatically started happening because of the way we have configured our job info. And of course, I can just leave it minimized and it will continue to run without any problem. So whatever the problem that we were trying to solve, that is running the service in the background without any limitations, that problem is solved. Let me open the application now and let me click on the stop job. When I clicked on the stop job, the service got stopped. And since you have explicitly stopped this particular service will not reschedule again. That is a very important thing that you should be aware. However, if I schedule a job and then because of some reason that particular service gets stopped, in this case once again probably I will just enable the aeroplane mode, you can see that the service is getting stopped. I did not explicitly stop it, and then when I once again disable the aeroplane mode, you will start seeing that after some time the random number generator once again gets kicked off. Now another small information, what if I kill the service, that is the application which is running that particular service? Well, according to the documentation, the service should get restarted at some time in future, but I have observed sometimes it doesn't start at all, and on some devices it actually starts. So when I did my own little bit of literature survey, what I found out was in some devices, the device manufacturers, that is OEM, are treating killing of an application that contains a job service as a explicit stop of that particular service. And because of that, sometimes on certain devices the services doesn't get started, and however, but in this case you can see here that it automatically got started. The random numbers are getting generated even though I had killed that particular service, but you may not see this on certain devices. So this is something that you need to be little bit wary of. But at least on the standard Android devices, when I say standard, the Google Pixel devices, it works without any problem. As you can see here, whatever the emulator that I am running, it is a Pixel device. It worked perfectly fine as per the documentation, but it may not work on, say, probably a Vivo or Xiaomi or OnePlus or any of these non-standard Android devices. So I suggest that you download this particular code and run it and understand the intricacies of job service. We are still not yet done with discussion about job service. I will come back to it in the next video, so stay tuned. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.